Welcome to my channel, IIT Foundation in Maths for 6th class students. Chapter 8, Geometry, Short Answer Type Questions, 62. Make a sector of angle 90 degrees in a circle of radius 3.5 centimeters. A circle of radius 3.5 centimeters. Let this be a circle, center O and radius R. And radius is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Make a sector of angle 90 degrees. This is the 90 degrees and this is also equal to radius, and this is the sector. This is the sector of angle 90 degrees. So next 63. The circumference of a circle is 220 centimeters. Find the perimeter of the quadrant. Circumference of the circle 2 pi r. It is 220 centimeters. Therefore 220 is equal to 2 pi r. Or r is equal to 220 by 2 pi. 2 ones, 2 11s, 22 and 1. That is equal to 110 by pi. So this is equal to 110 by pi is 22 by 7, or this is equal to 110 into 7 by 22. So 11 2s 22, 11 1s 11, 0, 2 1s, 2 5s 10, 5 7s 35. Therefore radius of the circle is 35 centimeters. But we are asked to find the perimeter of the quadrant. So this is the radius, center, and this is also radius, and this will be the 1/4 of the perimeter, 2 pi r. Total perimeter 2 pi r, and this is a quadrant 90 degrees at the center. So this arc, length of this arc is 1/4 of the circumference of the circle. Therefore perimeter of this quadrant is equal to 1/4 of 2 pi r plus r plus r. That is equal to, so perimeter of the quadrant is equal to 1/4 of the circumference plus radius, 2 radius. So 2 1s, 2 2s. That is equal to half into pi r plus r plus r, 2r is equal to half into pi 22 by 7 into r. R is 35 centimeters radius. 2 into r, 35. So 2 1s, 2 11s, 22. 7 1s, 7 5s, 35. 11 5s, 55. So 55 plus 2 into 35, 70. That is equal to 55 plus 70, 125 centimeters. Therefore perimeter of the quadrant, that is, this is the quadrant, perimeter of the quadrant is equal to 125 centimeters, whose circumference is 220. Next 64. Draw the line of symmetry for the following figures. So for this figure, this is the line of symmetry, and for this figure, this is the line of symmetry, and to this is the line of symmetry, and for this figure there are two lines of symmetry. This is one line of symmetry and this is another line of symmetry. So these are the lines of symmetry for these figures. So next 65. Construct an equilateral triangle of side 4 centimeters and draw all its lines of symmetry. So construct an equilateral triangle of side 4 centimeters. So first step, draw a line segment whose length is 4 centimeters. So take a scale and draw a line of length 4 centimeters. Let it be AB. Then A as center and 4 centimeters at radius, draw an arc. And again B as center with the same radius 4 centimeters, draw another arc. The two arcs intersect at a point C. Join AC and join BC. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Now the line of symmetry is, the lines of symmetry are this line, that is, this is the midpoint of AB. Similarly, the line passing through the midpoint of BC and A, this is another line of symmetry. And another, the line passing through the midpoint of AC and B, this is another line of symmetry. Thus, an equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Next, 66th, draw an acute angle POQ and draw its line of symmetry. POQ. Draw a ray OP and another ray OQ. And this angle is an acute angle, angle POQ. So the angular bisector of this angle, that is the line which bisects this angle, is the line of symmetry of this acute angle. So this line is the line of symmetry. So OR, line OR is the line of symmetry of the angle POQ. Next, 67. Write all the letters of English alphabet which has exactly 2 lines of symmetry and draw them. There are only 3 letters in the English alphabet which has exactly 2 lines of symmetry. They are H, I and X. So the lines of symmetry are one first horizontal line and this is the vertical line exactly passing through the middle point. These two are the lines of symmetry for H. For I, one is exactly overlapping on the letter and the other is exactly passing through the middle. And for this also, one horizontal and vertical and the other horizontal. So for these 3 letters only, there are exactly 2 lines of symmetry, H, I and X.